And number 5 is definitely one of my favorites. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 5 best passive incomes that you can start now in 2022, so keep watching. We will start from the ones where you will need to invest money, and then we will go to the ones where you need to invest your time. Keep in mind that if you want to make money either way, passive or active, you will need to invest one of those two, money or time. Nothing is free, so don't let anyone lie to you like that. Number 1, invest in the stock market. I do recommend that if you are a beginner in this space, rather than investing individually in companies and having to rely on your financial knowledge and predictions, you can just purchase a single investment in an S&P 500 index fund, which distributes the amount of money you invested across the 500 most important companies in the US. Warren Buffett has famously said, a low-cost S&P 500 index fund is the best investment most Americans can make. I will be making another video explaining how the index fund works and how to invest on it. Second one is make an online course. Making an online course can be time-consuming at the beginning because of preparation, organizing ideas, recording, editing, etc. But it is going to be an investment forever. You can start by making one about skills that you already have and know. For example, let's say you love to bake. Make a course about baking different type of cakes. Let's say you know how to edit videos. Make a course about it. Some websites that you can use for that are Coursera, Teachable.com, Skillshare, Udemy, and I will be leaving all the links down below so you can check them on the description box. Number 3 is renting a storage room or renting a room. Renting an extra room, a storage space that you have on your house, or a parking space can also be a great way to get money in a passive way. Not all of us are gonna have this option, but if you do, take advantage of it. For this, I recommend you using a website called Neighbor.com, and you can list all of these options on there. I am sure there are more websites that you can check online for this. Number 4 is rent your car. If you started working from home, that means the use of your car has dropped at 90%, but that doesn't mean that you stop paying for insurance and the monthly payments on your car. So why not start making money with it? That is exactly what I did in 2020, and now I have 4 rental cars. Nowadays, there is a lot of apps for it, but I do recommend you getting into Turo, Get Around, and CarShare. That way you can start renting your car to locals and also people that come to your city to visit or have a vacation. And number 5 is to start a YouTube channel. And this one is definitely one of my favorites. But yes, starting a YouTube channel from scratch is not going to be easy. You have to be consistent with your content, creative with your ideas, be sure to be giving value to your audience, and other key things that I will be explaining you in another video. Because yeah, they are a lot. But you're probably asking, how is that even passive if I would have to be working, making all these videos, recording, editing, thinking of ideas for them? And my answer is yes, you are definitely going to work. But your videos will be working for you forever. Just like courses, your videos will be up in the YouTube platform forever. And by the time you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watching time, you can start getting your channel monetized. This means that YouTube will be paying for every ad that gets in front of any of your videos. But that is not going to be the only way you get paid. You can also get rich by brands and start getting sponsorships. But one thing that I do recommend you is to start a YouTube channel in a niche that has a good CPM. Cost per thousands. Let me explain. You are not going to be making the same money if you talk about cats than if you talk about finances, investing, stocks, affiliate marketing. So yeah, pay a good amount of attention to that. The more value you provide to your audience, the more money you're gonna get. So have that in mind. If you want me to make a video explaining all about it, please let me know in the comments. And this is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys really liked it and you got a lot of value out of it. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and also leave a comment telling me which passive income you're gonna start in this 2022. If you want to add something, don't forget to leave it on the comments so everyone can read it, including me. Can't wait to see you guys again in the next video. Arrivederci.